How do you schedule a new post using the free account with the Buffer scheduling app? Let me show you in today's video. Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer coach here sharing tips and tricks on your everyday software to make life that little bit easier. So as you can see, I've already signed into my free account in with Buffer, and I have chosen the channel for Facebook from the list over here on the left-hand side. You can have, as part of the free account, a maximum of 3 channels added in. So now that I've chosen the right one, I'm going to click here towards the top right-hand corner, Create Post. I'm going to create a text-only version. So what else do you want videos about on my YouTube channel? Comment below. Okay, so as simple as that. And you can see I've got a quick preview, which is pretty boring, but I want a simple one for a change. And I can either add it to the queue, which will add it to the next available time slot, or I can click on there. As I scroll down, you can see I can share now, share next, and I can also schedule post. So let's go and choose a weekday. So I'm going to choose the 27th. And you can see that I've got the option to choose the time. So I'm just going to leave it as that and click schedule. That's now scheduling, and as I scroll down, it's right there on the screen. So that's all I need to do. I'm going to create another new post. This time I'm going to click and drag or select a file. So actually I'm just going to click select a file to go and have a look at my images. Let's go and choose something. And you can see that now adds it in. I can add multiple images in if I want. What do you think of the new group header? Okay, and comment below. So again, I'm going to click add to queue just so you can see how that works. And you can see it's got already selected specific times for each day. So when you add to queue, it simply adds it into the next available one. The third and final option I've got is if I want it, say for tomorrow at 10:50, which is one of the suggested ones, I can hover over it, click, and you can see it will let me schedule the post as normal. If I don't want to do that, I can click edit and change that. And if I don't want to do it at all, I can click away and then discard the changes. So actually it's pretty straightforward to schedule either an image or a text only post through Buffer. But remember, you've got limitations with the free version. If you found this video useful, please do give it a thumbs up. Remember, it really does help the channel. And if you'd like to be notified as new videos become available, remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell. See you on the next video.